got the rear window trim in. Came out pretty good. Pretty sturdy. It ain't coming out. Never did it. Tried to YouTube it. Nobody posted it. I put a double-sided tape this corner, right here, here, and in the back on the actual trim. Pushed it in. This the way on the other side. You actually put it in the back first, slide it in, that little tab right there, and then you center it. Push it down, it should snap right in. These little tabs, leave them alone. You grab this special tool that many may not have. It's a battery holder. All you gotta do is grab the little teeth or that little tab and you push it in on all three, and it's pretty sturdy. Look at that. I don't know if you could tell without it, but it went in there pretty nicely. That one you could tell. And that one came out really nice. Went in, but scratched up, it don't matter. If you got chrome, it's easier. But happy with one result. Now on to the next window. One thing I didn't notice on the other one is, I guess it has some type of trim to hold the glass. This one was really tight, so compared to the other one was loose. That way this piece fits right in. Try to do it with one hand. Try to slide this piece in. If you're quick. If you don't want to scratch your paint, put tape around it. See, slide right in. What I did is push it, tap it, then push it back. Push this piece back, and then that way you know where it is. Tap to the back. See? If I could do it, you could do it. Grab one of these pieces, separate this. And then with my special MacGyver tool, I don't know what I did with it. You can push those little tabs in. That's if I could do it with one hand. Don't put the pressure on the glass.